Chaos once filled the cosmos, endless and silent, until a divine force emerged, carrying the spark of creation. With a gentle breath, it scattered light across the void, igniting galaxies, stars, and worlds into being. Feeling the vast emptiness, it brought forth a twin, a companion to share in the shaping of existence. Together, they danced through the cosmic darkness, and from their union came other forces: fire and shadow, storm and stone, breath and tide, each carrying a fragment of the original spark. Through their harmony and struggle, the universe took form, alive with motion, energy, and endless possibility.